Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So as you can see here, we have a box. So it's a really special box here. So one of my master paid about $75 for this phone. So today I'm going to show you what he bought. So as you can see here, so let me show you the specification here. So as you can see, the model number is P50 Pro, and it got 8 gig of RAM, 128 gig of storage, and color is black. So I have already opened this and checked it. So to show you, just put it back. So if I open the box, you will get the phone here. You can see big phone, and you will get headphone and charger. So it's nothing special. So yeah, here to see the phone. So if I open the phone, as you can see here, it's look like P50 Pro, but when you see the front and other things, you will definitely know that this is not P50 Pro. Okay, so as you can see here, camera, and only this camera is original and all are those fake cameras. You will know by just looking at them that these are fake. So we have fake cameras here, and this side we have the SIM tray, and power and volume locker is this side. You can see here, and it got type C port. That's something cool. It got type C port and also 3.5mm headphone jack. So this is the visual description of this, and it got a big display. So now let's check. So as you can see right off the back, if I open it, this is not Huawei. When you check the notification button, can you guess this which Android version this phone is running? So let me show you first which Android version it's running according to them. So if I go about phone, it's running on Android 12, 128 gig of RAM storage, and 8 gig of RAM. Let's check Android 12. And I have never seen something like this, Android 12 logo like this. I saw only Android 10 logo like this. Did you ever see? It's funny, totally funny. So this is the Android 12 logo. Android 12 logo. Okay, let's go back and check the other things what we are getting here. So in terms of apps, we are getting Assistant. You see, this is actually what do you call, light version of the Google Assistant. We are getting calculator, calendar, camera, Chrome, clock, contacts, and CPU-Z. I have installed it. And you are getting Facebook, Face Unlock, Facebook, File Manager, Radio, Gallery, and Geekbench also I have installed. Gmail, Google Go, Maps Go, Messaging, Music, Phone, Play Store, Settings, SIM Toolkit, Sound Recorder, WhatsApp, and YouTube Go. So I think this phone is based on Android Go, and the specification, if I show you from the CPU-Z, it will show the same as the described. As you can see, 10 core processor. It got, here you can see it got 16 gig of RAM and 120 gig of storage. So I don't know how they tricked CPU-Z and giving this kind of specification. So let's check in the Geekbench. So we will get the original specification of this phone in the Geekbench. So if I open the Geekbench, by the way, the display is quite good actually. The viewing angle is good. Anyway, you can use this phone as I think to watch something because it got a big display. So as you can see here, these are the real specification of this phone. So it's running on Android 8.1, and it got 2 gig of RAM, and this display resolution is 720p display, not 720p, lower than 720p, and also it got 240 ppi. But display is looking quite good, not that bad I think. So it's quite fine, and it's overall very laggy. Can't really use it because Let's see if I've opened try to open YouTube Go, how long it takes. Let's see if you have seen this. It take a while to go. So let's because they're wanting, I don't want to put my account here, this phone. So let's type YouTube and go. Okay, we are in the YouTube. Let's see if we can stream 1080p video or not. So let's like 4K video. Okay, if I go here, let's turn on this one. This way we will get an idea of our speakers too. I think you can hear the sound. Sound is not that good. It's really bad, and also it's lagging. The Wi-Fi is quite good here, but it can't stream the. The sound is quite bad actually. So got it. So I don't know the resolution of this video right now. Let's check. We can stream it's auto 360p. Oh my goodness. Even I can't even select, I think the resolution gone. It's really bad actually. If I go here 360p, let's check it can stream 1080p or not. Yeah, it can stream 1080p, but it's lagging actually. I think 720p will be best for this one, not more than that. Okay, 720p. So let's check 720p video we can watch or not. Okay, don't want to check anymore. So let's check the camera for. So as I said, we got only one camera here, and let's turn on the camera and check it. So this is the camera, and if I focus, the sound is very annoying. So we have taken a photo. Let's see the video resolution. Go to video, and it can capture 720p video, as you can see here. And the camera photo size they are saying is 64 megapixel. Also you can choose 48 megapixel, also 36 megapixel. It's quite funny. The resolution are quite funny. I think it's got a 2 megapixel camera or 5 megapixel camera. Let's check the front camera. Yes, it's there. It's look like it's from 2010 because this is from this Lumia 820 is from 2012. Let's check its camera. It got a VGA camera in front. So if I turn on, this is the back camera. This back camera is far better than this front camera. So let's open the front camera. As you can see, the front camera is much better than this phone actually. The color and all the things are better here, dynamic range and everything. So that's now you can have a comparison about this phone, about camera. So is it worthy to pay this much for this kind of phone? I don't think so, because it's getting quite warm. I didn't do anything yet, but it's getting warm. And it just, if you really want to buy something like this, I will say you can go for other things. Just don't go for the look. These phones are like shit. You can't really use them. As I said, it's just to show people that you have something big, like Huawei P50. It's really funny that the company is still making this phone and still people are buying these phones and they are using this phone. Really funny. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time.